All right, listen up. Anything in life that I learn or I find out, I am obligated to share with you. I found these cool lights and I'm going to show you how to install them. They arrived in the mail, and a problem occurred to me is that how do I install these around big wheels? The center part of the wheel, sometimes the rubber band that comes with the wire doesn't go around this whole entire thing. I'm going to show you a bigger one on my e-bike here in a second. But what we had to do is go on Amazon and buy multiple rubber bands so it'll fit around this big. This is the aperture right here. This is the wire. But this big disc right here, the one rubber band that they sent with it wouldn't fit. And up front, it's a small one. You see that? So we just went on Amazon, bought some simple rubber bands, and it went all the way around. So hopefully this will be helpful to a lot of people who are trying to install these on their bicycle. All right, my name is PhD candidate Tracy Walker. If there's anything that I do not mention or I forget to include in this video, hit me up in the comments, and I kid you not, I will reply to every single last one of you. Alrighty, here we go. Alright, so on a scale of 1 to 10, the assembly I'm putting this together is going to be a level 1. I have my wife doing it, and you don't have to be a doctor to do it. My wife is a doctor, but nonetheless, she is putting this on very easily. It should take you less than 5 minutes to wrap the wire around the bike, and you want to get it as close as possible to the edges, because when the tire is spinning it can come undone, so you want to all the way out to the edge. All right, next, here's the little guy that you're going to be wrapping the rubber band. You're going to be wrapping the rubber band around this device right here, and you're going to stick both of your hands in around the spokes. It's kind of painful. Whoever has the smallest hand should be sticking their hands in there, although this is a one-person job. But once you get the rubber band on, it's going to be quite difficult and cumbersome to get this rubber band all the way on. But bang, we got it. And it's going to be a lot more difficult when you have thicker wheels to put this thing around. But you want to put the wire as closest to the center as possible and wrap it around the spoke. And once you get it around one of the spokes, then you're going to go all the way around the bicycle. All right, guys, it's a wrap. If you have any questions about anything else that I have missed in this video, hit me up in the comments. I got your back. Peace.